In today's video, we're going to show you how to enable and use VR mode in 2024 in YouTube. If you've got a VR headset and want to dive into some immersive YouTube content, you're in the right place. So let's get started. Before we dive into YouTube, make sure your VR headset is properly set up and connected. Whether you're using an Oculus, HTC Vive, or any VR headset, ensure it's connected to your computer or smartphone. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to set up your headset and ensure it's ready to use. Once your VR headset is set up, open the YouTube app on your device. If you're using a smartphone, make sure you've got the latest version of YouTube app installed. Now search for VR content by typing in keywords like VR or 360 video or virtual reality in the YouTube search bar. Find the VR video you want to watch. To enable VR mode, start playing the video and tap on the VR icon if you're using a smartphone. Here you might find the VR option if you are connected with the VR. Now once you tap the VR icon, the video will automatically switch to VR mode and you can place your phone into your VR headset. With your phone in the headset, you're now in VR mode. You can look around and experience the video in 360 degrees. And that's how you enable and use VR mode in YouTube.